placements. Welcome to your short intuitive reading. This is a reading for you. This could be your energy, the energy of someone you're connected to, or the circumstance. This reading may play out from the perspective of the cross watcher. Leo placements, this is a timeless reading. It's also very general. So take what resonates, let the rest go. This is also not a gender specific reading. So Leo placements, again, intuitive shorts is just a short intuitive energy reading. Usually about 20 minutes or less, give or take. And what I'm getting for you guys is that someone's father is worried about their child's legal woes or something that's going on. It could also be someone that's just concerned about their business, their family business, or their family in general. This could also indicate someone that's just, taking control of something legally. It's been a long process, facing it head on. Ultimately, I do see that it's been a difficult and challenging period, but whatever someone is facing, it's looks like it's going to be a victorious outcome for these legal issues. They're going to turn out in someone's favor due to some type of information, or this could also have something to do with health. Taking responsibility for one's health, okay? Acceptance. Through a very challenging period, committed to one's mental health, committed to standing in one's power. There could be two masculine forces, okay? It could be within a family. It could be just a business partnership, but there is a resistance or ruthless energy, and again, this could have something to do with not just two individuals, but an entity or an authority, the law. But there's just, again, it could be divorce, because I am getting this energy of like masculine, feminine energy. This father figure or whoever this energy is that's coming through is dealing with something of lack or some type of burden in relation possibly to a feminine energy, where there's some type of halt, delay in plans. Someone could be waiting on a settlement. Someone could be waiting on insurance. Outcome. I'm also getting racing to the finish line. Someone has just been afraid of losing everything. Okay? But I do, like I said, I do see something positive coming out of this. And I do see like a new beginning. Pushing toward the end is where the prize is in the situation. So let's see what's happening. Short intuitive read for Leo placements. All-knowing source, divine spirit, archangels, guides, ancestors, ascended masters, and the highest protection. 5D and above, my higher self, and my black team with the highest light resonance. Show me clearly what I need to see for Leo placements. Allow me to be the clear channel and show me clearly what's the overall message here. We have sacred journey, okay? Like I said, there was a delay, but there's something that is coming out of this that is opening up the door for possibilities, possibly for travel. a spiritual journey, a spiritual connection, a spiritual business. Doesn't have to be spiritual, but it says sacred journey. But it could just be moving forward finally, or taking the steps and branching out. Okay, number 26, it reduces to 8, which is all about, again, infinite possibilities, strength. 8s represent abundance and equilibrium. Okay, again, endless possibilities. So that's really beautiful. What else is happening with Leo placements? Again, someone's committed to seeing something all the way through. All the way through. Someone's very strong, or prayed for strength, asked for strength, drawing strength. I'm getting a lot of courage, determination. Those are all Leo words. What's happening? Show me clearly. We have experience. Walk a mile in my shoes, right? This is also, you know, there's a shadow there, but I'm getting something here to do with, don't judge me till you walked a mile in my shoes, or someone's trying to fill someone's shoes. But again, I'm showing like something knocking someone right out of their position. Or again, maybe someone's a shadow of what they've used to be because of a trying experience. One more. One card, please. Show me clearly for Leo placements. Show me clearly for Leo. So sometimes I hear your voice in my head. There's a shadow cast here because someone is worried, possibly, that someone is going to fill their shoes. You know, if this is like a divorce, you know, again, someone is feels as if they've lost everything. Again, I have this energy of a father figure or someone worried about someone's legal issues, or how something's going to turn out, but someone that feels taking responsibility for their mental, their legal, or their financial well-being. Someone has been trucking it out slowly but surely here. But again, there's this energy of, you know, feeling haunted or worried. Again, sometimes I hear your voice in my head. You know, if someone doesn't want their, you know, their shoes filled, or someone's been knocked right out of their position. And, you know, this is the resistance. Like I said, there is some type of ruthlessness, or, you know, control dynamic that's under the surface here. Okay, Leo placements. Okay, let's get a spread here. Okay, get right into it. Show me clearly what's happening with Leo placements. One card. All the decks have been pre-shuffled, but I just want to give this one a couple more. Yeah, at the bottom you have 10 of Cups in reverse. So yeah, something has ended here. And it's something to do with family, or a high level of commitment, marriage, maybe a spiritual connection here. 10 of Cups could have something to do with the Pisces. You know, 10th house, 12th house. Pisces rules the 12th house. If there's some type of illusion or feeling disconnected, emotionally unstable, just overall discontent, unfulfilled, you know, Ten of Cups in reverse, emotional pain. We have all, well, we have 4 cards. I guess we'll take them. We have Justice and we have the Ace of Wands. Okay, with the Page of Swords in reverse and the 2 of Swords in reverse. Interesting. Someone has asked for strength or showed a lot of resolve. There's that legal energy I was picking up on with Justice. Okay, number 11 with the Ace of Wands. So this is clear that, you know, obviously we have some Libra energy here. The scales are being balanced. The scales are being balanced, okay? What are they being balanced with here? We have some pictures. I'm hearing faded pictures in a broken glass. Secret memories in her mind. Okay, so at any rate, something's fading. Something's done. Someone feels as if they're being replaced. You know, someone has been through a challenging experience. And I feel like that cycle's over. Number 26, reducing the 8. Look at these possibilities here. Something's unraveling, okay? There's something that is opening up in terms of a journey where there may have been a blockage, right? Faded pictures in a broken glass. Secret memories in her mind. So again, sometimes I hear your voice in my head. Someone's afraid of their shoes being filled or their space being filled. Is a shadow that's cast here. Again, control dynamics. There could be someone worried. Like I kept getting this energy of a father figure, but it doesn't have to be a father figure. It could just be a masculine energy. Or someone that's worried about the outcome of something legal or karma or said actions or how something's going to turn out because someone has gained the strength to get through something that someone thought that they would never get through. Ultimately, this looks like someone's walking through a portal, walking through a period where there's been challenges and the scales are being balanced. And with the Ace of Wands, fire energy, divine blessing of potentiality, right? This is things are moving forward without delay, okay? The Ace of Wands is that divine blessing of inspiration. This is an inspired idea. This is potential and something really creative. Someone's very enthusiastic about a new beginning. There could be a settlement. There could be something to do with being able to finally create what one desires because of something legal coming to pass or because of just karma. Justice could indicate karma. Something finally panning out. Something that is just. Something that is fair. Whenever justice comes out, there's clearly been an injustice in the past. Okay, so this is really just a confirmation that something is golden. Okay, someone's getting their passion back. We have 4 candles, which indicate protection, stability, something very secure. It's growing. And of course, justice being number 11, it can also indicate, again, some type of spiritual business path or connection coming together. Okay, so very, very beautiful energy. But again, there's this energy here. This is what someone could have been coming through. And again, voices in my head, these could be all internal conflict, shadow aspects that someone has dealt with, fears, anxiety about the past, about confusion, mental confusion, what they've been learning. Again, someone worried about their child, Page of Swords, or their child's legal issues or mental health. Either way, I do feel like this could definitely be, again, just if this is divorce or some type of, karmic connection or unhealthy connection that's ending. We do have possibly a stalker or someone that's been watching, waiting, worrying. Here with this page of Swords in reverse. This Page of Swords can indicate, an air sign or just anyone kind of in this energy of the Page of Swords in reverse. This can indicate a mature individual. This can indicate a child. This can indicate something to do with information or investigation. I'm definitely getting strong Libra energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy as well. Definitely Leo. You're here. We dealing with another Leo or someone with Leo highly aspect of their chart as well. You could be a fire sign with Leo highly aspect in your chart, in your rising, in your Mars, something like that. Okay, but again, the cross-watcher energy could be coming through. But this is, some type of investigation. If someone's been watching, waiting for an outcome, waiting to see how information divulged or given within a legal case or that's being spread is being received. This is Page of Swords in reverse is also, after waiting for a period, becoming quite agitated about what's been learned, what's been discovered, and someone's ready to come forward, okay, to express how they feel. It could be very immature energy. It could be very impulsive arguments, things of that nature. But ultimately, there's this energy of wanting to confuse, or someone that's feeling confused, or someone that's feeling just mentally unstable, or dealing with some type of mental instability with the Page of Swords and the Two of Swords together. It's like Xing each other out. Someone's dealing with a lot of emotional energy in relation to a decision, and trying to handle that emotion. This could have something to do with information that's been found out over the past few days, or maybe past 2 to 4 days to 2 to 4 weeks. Okay, swords indicate weeks, and it just keeps going back from 4 to 2, 4 to 2. So Four of Swords is like thinking, meditating, and maybe even, on the verge of feeling resentment, fear, anxiety, and going back to indecision over something that's emotionally traumatic, creating mental instability here. And this could be what someone has gotten through because of a very long Leo case, or maybe a karma, or a lot of indecision that's gotten someone here to this energy of victory, okay? Forward movement, being inspired, full of passion, and walking into a very fair, just opportunity. Okay, this is also, again, whatever is panning out within the situation, because this is a very positive energy here. Someone or some force is trying to come to grips with the idea that if this pans out, if this goes in the opposition's favor, that their shoes will be filled. And someone can't get that out of their head. They can't get those memories out of their mind. It's faded pictures in a broken glass. Okay, something's moving forward. You know, something has been lost. But someone has held on, okay? May have been knocked off their feet, but someone's held on. If someone wants to be in good relations, if someone wants to hold on till the end, they must be ready, courageous, and prompt, okay? For in the end, he who holds on wins the prize, okay? So here, someone is clearly anxious, ready to speak, ready to make a decision, but at the same time, I feel like someone is quite unstable here about, again, their shoes being filled. And what this energy means in relation to this door opening up, these colors flying in, inspiration, number 26, reducing the 8, okay, strength, that's you, Leo, endless possibilities, and some type of forward movement, okay, that is opening up a portal. And I'm also seeing a lot of powerful sexual energy here. Creativity. I'm also getting artist, painter, graphic design, photography, wow. And this could be love, family, or career, okay? Bottom of the deck. Bottom of the deck, 8 of Wands, Sagittarius energy coming through. Again, all the fire signs are here. Definitely Leo and Sag. Definitely Libra and the air signs. But here, again, first deacon, Sagittarius, the 8 of Wands. Something, whether it's this resistance or this kind of ruthless energy coming forward, maybe wanting to create indecision or confusion through some type of energetic work, you know, projections, whatever. Something's coming forward quickly. You know, that moon here in the background, something someone may not expect, but we have this energy of the 8 of Wands, And again, this is like downloads. Someone could definitely be getting some powerful downloads at this time, from their spirit guides, from their spirit team, from the angels. This could be, someone, some type of information about something legal coming in quickly. Again, this is also quick travel. But the Eight of Wands clearly represent action, something coming into balance really quickly, change, and productivity. This is a very powerful energy here, okay? And once again, the scales of justice, okay? Number 11, the portal is opening up for love, career, family, opportunity, truth. Where there was no equality, there will be equality. Where there is no inspiration, there will be inspiration, regardless of this interference or this opposition. There's endless possibilities that are opening up for you or someone. And what is coming in is coming in swiftly. It's coming in quickly. And it's coming in most definitely because someone has asked for strength. And this is a divine blessing. A divine blessing and an answered prayer. So there's a path that's opening up. And it looks like, a clear victory. Someone here is going to be holding the gold. And it's a solid energy. Someone has been held, protected, and I feel like this is the end of a very difficult period. No more delays.